Hey everyone! Welcome to the Tech in Resham channel. Today, we're going to set up Ubuntu Server in VirtualBox. First, download the Ubuntu Server flavor you need. Since my computer is a Mac M series CPU, I'll need the ARM version of Ubuntu Server. Also, download VirtualBox for your machine. Since mine is Apple Silicon, I'll need the Apple Silicon version. Create a virtual machine for Ubuntu Server in VirtualBox. Give it a name, specify the location where it will be saved, and provide the location of the Ubuntu Server ISO file to boot from. Then, press Next. This step is super important because it requires logging into the server. Create a username and password as needed. Next, allocate memory and vCPUs for the Ubuntu server. Finally, press Finish. The Ubuntu server will boot and install successfully. Once it's installed, log in using the username and password you set. Now, check the IP address of the VM using the IP command. It's not the same subnet as the host. Go to the Settings option of the VM and select Export. Then, navigate to Network. Change Attached to from NAT to Bridged Adapter. Next, boot the VM again, log in, and check the IP address using IPA. This time, it's the same subnet. To enable remote access, install an SSH server using the sudo apt install openssh-server command. Once it's installed, you can now connect to the server remotely from another computer. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll install Docker Community Edition. Before that, we need to add its apt repository and then install it. To check if the installation was successful, just run sudo docker ps. If there are no errors, then everything's good to go. Next, we'll install Portainer CE. First, we need to create a volume for it and then install Portainer CE using Docker. Again, run sudo docker ps to see if Portainer is running. Now, open a browser and navigate to the Ubuntu server's IP address 8443. Create an account for Portainer and log in. You'll see templates that you can install on click. Portainer is a really useful tool for managing Docker containers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.